On,
Yeah.
and this time is a video.
Yeah, this sounds
Okay. This writing is made by Adolf Michael in Nykøbing Falster, the 19th of February 1970. I'm going to tell you a little story. At a young couple who one day they came to some discussions, and she moaned a little over him in a good tone. And he was pulling his shoulders and in the same tone said, "Well, that's what happened when you marry below your rank." She looked a little astonished at him, and then they both laughed, because they both know the story called by royal birth. As an I'm going to tell in all its bear nothing, no meat upon it, but you can do what you want to spice it up. King Christian VIII had a love affair to his castle gardeners in Sorgenfrey, wife Henrietta Svendsen, born Hansen, daughter of the shipstealer Hansen. The relation got results, or what do you call it? A son, Jens Carl Christian Svendsen, born 31st October 1844. After the king's death, the widow, Queen Caroline Amalie, as long as she lived, looked after the boys' upbringing and education with great interest. It resulted in a position as first clerk as a judge in Hillerød, and later as a manor keeper on Fyn. He married Clara Mønster in 1878, and they left 4 children, of which the eldest got the name Adolf Michael Mønster Svendsen, born the 19th of February 1881. Maria was born boarding Fanø on Fyn, and as very young she moved with a military person to Sweden, where she aborted or got a child who immediately died. In Stockholm she met King Carl XV's Gustav, with whom she got a daughter, Clara, born the 1st of September 1851. One of the king's friends was Earl von Koch. He put his name to that child, but there was never found any baptizing certificate or other documentation. Clara von Koch lived about 10 years together with the mother and Earl von Koch in Stockholm, and was often seen at the court and was admired for her singing voice. Then her mother met the Danish lieutenant and owner of a manor, Heinz Holt Godsson Mønster, with whom she was married, and they moved to his manor Heinzholt, close to Fredensborg in North Zealand. Clara was confirmed in Grønholt as Minderød Church, and on the confirmation certificate, the Earl von Koch was named as her father. We don't know where the priest got that from. The parents let her boys educate in Copenhagen and Paris, but the boys couldn't hold the whole way, and the road to opera had to be given up. In 1878 she married Jens Carl Christian Svendsen in Hillerød, where the wedding caused a lot of interest, because, as it was said with a quote from an opera, royal children were they both. Yes, that's what's told about Adolf Michael Mønster Svendsen's parents, and what is fiction and what is true, I don't know. but at least it's an idea to a novel.